Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams. Are you a complete beginner looking to start investing in cryptocurrency, but feel overwhelmed? Don't worry. This video is your step-by-step guide to starting your crypto investment journey. I'll show you everything from choosing the right exchange, selecting tools like CoinStats, TradingView, Glassnode, TokenTax, and Koinly, and building your first portfolio. Look in the description below for useful links. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge and tools you need to start investing in crypto safely and smartly. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is cryptocurrency? First, let's break it down. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses blockchain technology to ensure secure and decentralized transactions. Unlike traditional money, cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any government or bank. The two most well-known cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin and Ethereum, but there are thousands of others, like Solana, Cardano, and XRP. Cryptos have become popular for their potential for high returns and as an alternative to traditional investments. Part 2. How to start investing in cryptocurrency. Now, let's go step by step to get you started with your first crypto investment. 1. Choose a reliable crypto exchange. First, you need a crypto exchange, a platform where you can buy, sell, and store your crypto. Popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. When choosing an exchange, look for security, ease of use, and low fees. Pro tip: sign up for multiple exchanges to access a wider range of coins and trading features. 2. Set up a crypto wallet. Once you buy crypto, you need a safe place to store it. There are two types of wallets. Hot wallets are online, like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Cold wallets are offline, like hardware wallets such as Ledger Nano. For beginners, a hot wallet integrated with your exchange is the simplest option. 3. Start small and diversify. Start small with well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you gain confidence, diversify your portfolio to include altcoins and stablecoins. Pro tip: allocate funds you can afford to lose. Crypto markets are volatile, and investing responsibly is key. Part 3. Must have tools for crypto beginners. To make your crypto journey smoother, here are the top tools every beginner needs. CoinStats. Track your crypto portfolio across exchanges and wallets in one place. TradingView. Analyze price charts and trends to make informed investment decisions. Glassnode. Access on-chain data to see how the market is behaving and spot trends. TokenTax and Koinly. These tools calculate your crypto taxes automatically. Staying tax compliant is essential, especially as your portfolio grows. Part 4. Tips to avoid beginner mistakes. Before you start, here are 4 quick tips to help you avoid common mistakes. 1. Don't buy into hype. Research before you invest. If you want greater depth, look in the description for my video on crypto research. 2. Secure your wallet. Write down your seed phrase and enable 2FA. 3. Start small. Build confidence before investing large amounts. 4. Do your own research. Use tools like CoinStats and Glassnode to make informed decisions. Starting your crypto journey doesn't have to be complicated. By choosing a secure exchange, using the right tools like CoinStats, TradingView, and Glassnode, and following smart strategies, you'll be on your way to building a strong crypto portfolio. If you found this guide helpful, look in the description below for useful links, smash that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto content, and comment below. What's the first crypto you're planning to invest in?